Hi, you guys. Welcome to another Read Aloud in Miss J's car. It's just fun to read in different places all the time. So I figured, why not read in my car this week, right? So I have a fun book for you guys. It's new. I hadn't seen it before, and so I had to pick it up. It is called Don't Push the Button. We'll see what happens. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Okay, Larry. Ack! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Okay. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Not sure how well that'll help. Almost. A little more. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Hee, that tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end. I hope you enjoyed that book. It's kind of fun being able to push the button in the book and see what happens to our cute monster friend right here. I would encourage you to try to find this book on your own if you can, but also try not to push your mom and dad's buttons too much. Yeah, those are buttons you don't want to push. Just the ones in this book. Bye, friends. I'll see you later.